Peppered steak. Ooh, that's what we doing today, huh? Yeah, yeah. It's Big Hurtem, so y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. And today we are making some pepper steak. So first, take your pat of butter, throw it in a hot skillet, let it get melted. Now the butter is melted good enough. Now you have to chop up your whole onion and a whole bell pepper. Now let's saute those vegetables. Sprinkle on a little salt and a little pepper, black pepper. And when the vegetables are just about done, throw in a heaping of minced garlic. Very good. Vegetables are done. Now on to the meat. Cube your steak up. Get your skillet heated up. Throw down some more butter. And let it melt. Got your butter all melted up. Now you throw that steak down. Fry it up nice. Now you season with onion powder, garlic powder, accent, black pepper, and go heavy on the black pepper. What I do. And slap your mama. Yes, sir. Stir it up real good. Had to switch spots because my skillet was too small. But now you go in with packaged gravy. And we're going with 2 packs. Brown gravy, you can use whatever kind you want to use. You get that stirred in. Now you add in your water. About 2.5 cups. You go back in with your vegetables. Stir it up real good. Let it simmer till the steak get tender. You bring it to a boil like so. Cover the pot. Reduce to low. Let it simmer till it get tender. Yeah, yeah. And there you have it, guys. Peppered steak. Yes, sir. That's gonna be good. Now you just cook you some rice, which I already did. Got my rice there. Put some rice on your plate. And top it with the pepper steak. And there you have it. Yeah, yeah. Like, share, comment, subscribe, browse. Going up.